Let's start. Slice and dice the tofu. Fry the tofu until it becomes golden brown. Set aside the deep fried tofu and let's prepare the sauce. Add liquid seasoning, mayonnaise, and water, and stir. Let's get back to the deep fried tofu and other ingredients. Green and red bell pepper, onion, the sauce, and we can add chili pepper too. Saute the onion, green and red bell pepper. Add the deep fried tofu. Add some of the sauce, then mix. Transfer the tofu on another hot metal pan. Pour the remaining sauce. Sisig tofu is now ready to serve.